Hi everybody, it's Nadia here and I'm bringing you the new Imogenation palettes. Now I've got the eyeshadow one, which is with this funky palette, and then I've also got the face palette, the highlighter palette. If you're new to this channel, then would really appreciate if you would hit the subscribe button and tap the bell, and it'll let you know when I bring a video out. Here is me applying set palettes. So guys, I've put my base on. I've used the KIKO 3D lifting because it's the only foundation that suits me, and the rest of them are out my project pan. So basically I'm going to use this to bronze. Imogenation. So guys, this is the highlight to the moon, the medium one. And to start off with, awkward swatches, I know. So this is Pretty Heart, My Girl, Coyote, Literally, Warrior, Can't Deal. So on the bottom we've got limited edition, and these two colours here are actually in like a split pan, and it's Save My Life. And then obviously this is the Save My Life mixed together, and then this one is Angel Face. So I just think I'm going to go in this bronzer here. It's called Literal. So there's no kick up. It's, oh, that looks so harsh. And this is the lightest shade. Let's try the top shade, which is Coyote. This is a little bit patchy, guys. I've got like a patchy line here. So I'm going to mix the two together for this side. So, do my temples. For blush, I'm going to be using, because there isn't a blush in there, the L'Oreal lip brush in 120. I'm just gonna blush up my cheeks. So I'm going to see how popping these highlighters are at the bottom. You'll have seen the swatches by now, so I'm going to take Angel Face, which is this one here. It's a golden champagne one, and that's nice. That's really pretty. It has emphasised my pores a little, but a lot of highlighters do because I'm older. I want to go in and try the limited edition bit. That's this one. And see if it whitens it down. Nothing's coming off onto me. Hold on. Look, I am swirling that. So I've got some on there, but you can just see it. But I've really had to swirl and dig in. So not over impressed on that. And now it's like silver. So, you know, it's gonna glow from the gods today. So I'm just taking that powder brush to sort of blend it into my skin. It's got a white cast. I can see the white cast on it. Unsure on this. if it comes up in a favourites video, then obviously I've liked it enough to carry on using it. But as of now, no, it has emphasised every little pore I've got, and I don't normally have that problem. It's nice colour, the one that I originally used, but that white, no. Going to the same name palette, because I can't say it. Imagination, something like that, I don't know. So guys, this is what it looks like. So guys, here are the swatches. So this one here is Angel, then we've got Butterfly, then we've got, not that you can see it, but it is there, it's called Too Nice. Then we've got Forever Friends, Huns, Honeybee, Shoppy, Loving Life, Baby Girl, Rise and Praise, and then the last one is Mills. So they're the colours, guys. I'll just go this way now. So image, okay, Pinky Promise, Berry Blast, You Know, Get to Know, Sorry Not Sorry, Trying It, and Limo, and that's the rest of them. And oh, I need to prime my eyes, that would help, wouldn't it? So I'm just going to prime my eyes to start off with. There isn't actually a setting down colour, so I'm actually going to go into my Laura Mercier because I need to set it. I've got a nice smooth base now to work from. I'm going to go to Loving Life, which is that one, and just run that through my crease. And I'm just putting it in my crease and slightly above, and swirling and window wiping motions. And this is a gorgeous, really light peachy orange, and I'm just going to build this up till I'm happy with it. Then I think I'm going to go into Honeybee, just here, a bit darker matte. Does have a bit of kick up, this one. And this I'm going to concentrate in my crease. The Mills, which is the next orange down, and again I'm putting this on the outer part of my eye and just slightly into the crease. No blending, I'm just putting it down. The base colour. So I think this is going to be an orange eye. So they're quite nice actually. They're so pigmented. Mind you, Makeup Revolutions do wonderful eyeshadows. One dab in and it's there. Still kicks up powder when you tap it, but again, this one's not really any fallout. Oh, I do like that. And then I'm going to take the darker one and again just go on the outer part of my eyes to darken it up. This looks pigmented. That's nice. Not as pigmented as what I thought, but I can work with it. So I'm sort of just tapping the colour onto my eye on the outer part again so that it builds, and then just running it slightly into my crease, and then I'm packing the colour back on top. So I'm taking the first brush with no extra product on and I'm just going to blend that in. So, and then I'm going to do the same on the opposite eye. The shade is definitely not as pigmented at all. In fact, the colours come off this side. So then I'm going to take a packer brush and go into, I'm going to do it dry first and go into Baby Girl. No, that's not working. Let me try. See if it'll go on. Extremely difficult this colour is. Very difficult. Guys, no, this is a horrible colour. My brush is wet through and I'm packing it on and it's not, it's like it's not even coming off the brush, so except for my fine lines. So I think I'm going to try and I'll try and use my finger, see if that makes it any better. Sorry about that, guys, the camera cut off and I've had to build that Baby Girl up to get this colour, and then I've gone in with Huns, which is this like white gold on top of this one. So I'm just going to do the same on this side, just to give it a bit of something, she says. Look, it looks amazing, it just doesn't come off. You know, I know I'm not a makeup artist, but I know it shouldn't be this hard to put eyeshadow on. Then I'm just going to take the brush and just blend them two back in together. Tell you what, guys, I'm not impressed. It's like, not impressed with the colours that I've used so far at all, especially the glittery ones. So I think I'm just going to leave it at that. I'm just going to take like to do some orange underneath my line. Then I'm going to take the which is the bright orange, just on the outer part, just so they blend. And I've got fallout as well, just there. So I've only just noticed that. So that's the eyeshadows done. I want to pop a colour in my inner corner. I'm going to try the Angel one. See, that's gone on nice. On top of that, I might try Angel on top of this and see. It'll lighten it just a little bit. No, it's not going to. So that's that one. Because the eyes are quite bold, I'm just going to go in with the Colourpop Ultra Matte. Forgot mascara. Not very good, am I? Not that I've got any eyelashes, but I used to didn't like this Rimmel shape mascara, but you know now it's really good. I think I'm going to stick a top gloss on top of this because it's feeling really life sucking. This is just the Clinique. It's in my project. Hey guys, my final thoughts on these two palettes. I'd save your money on this palette. Makeup Revolution do so much better than this, and I had a lot of trouble with this one. This one, the bronzer was is a little bit patchy. In the end I had to mix that one and that one together, so technically I'm using two things out of here, and whether that white is just white cast. They do look really nice. It's just they don't pull off the same on the skin. I just look grey here. Would I say to anybody go out and get this? I would honestly say for this one, go and get one of their Revolution actual palettes. So much better, 100% better. Especially the highlighters. On a bronzer, you can pick up a bronzer from there for like £3. I would leave this alone and get one of the Revolution normal palettes because they work so much better. It's unbelievable. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.